Zyro website builder complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on b12.io. So basically the Zyro website builder. First of all, click this button, start for free, and now you need to generate a free AI website in 60 seconds. So you need to type your business name. For example, you're making an website for an online store, and for example, your online store is calling like this, and you need to describe your business and desired website. So couple of sentences that describing your business. For example, also here you have an example, and just by so if necessary you can be inspired by this. For example, we been in 4-5 years. And after you have a description for your business, you can also type something about your desires. For example, looking for a minimalistic with, so let's choose no, let's choose purple tones and continue. So my AI built website draft is ready to go, but first of all I need to create an account. So I created my account, and this is what I've got. Selling shoes, comfort meets affordability, really nice. And so how to edit this? Of course you need to edit. Choose this page, change title, for example, if you want to. Here you can edit some stuff about this text. You can change subtitle for less what? I don't need this. Discover stylish shoes like this. Paragraph, links, appearance, layout. You can change this layout. So you have plenty of choices, as you can see. So you can also discover pages. You can see home page, intake form, product pages, scheduling pages, utility pages. You can delete this page, for example, if you don't need this meeting scheduling page for some reason. But honestly, it's not necessary to deleting page, because maybe later you will need this page, and you can just hide this page like this. And for example, it's really you can edit pages, you can add sections like this. You have header, home, about, products, contact, and footer. Of course you can add some, or you can for example, you want to edit this header section, and this is how you edit it. You can add brand logo here, can change this name, change navigation links. This is navigation links, home, about, products, and contact, sorry. You can add a new one. You can change layout as always, like this, for example. Continue. Section background, light, dark. Next, home. You can basically do the same. So basically, I hope you got the idea. Choose whatever you want to edit, select it, delete it, delete this paragraph, write whatever you want, change the subtitle if you want to, change title, add links. You can, of course, you can edit image or replace this image. You can upload a media, you can upload image from your computer to have your own picture, you know. You can also add appearance, so the visual appearance of this section. If you want to, animations, have some animations, and you can see a lot of functions. So I recommend you to try this by your own. The entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. And when you're done editing your website, you just need to click this button, publish, and you will be able to publish your website. Also, you can add a custom domain for $1 a month for the first 3 months. But if you will not add a custom domain in your domains, for example, my domain sellingshoes.com, you'll have b12sites.com. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Loading your website. In a few seconds we will load your new website. And here it is, just in a few seconds. I dropped my website in the global internet, you know. So guys, thank you for watching again, and see you soon.